Welcome to Project ZEPHYR Group 2. This is the gear motor test for the payload subsystem. Completion of this test works towards satisfying requirement 24 and 13 that are as stated. The final position of the delivered survival package shall be within 50 centimeters of the nominated survivor, and the payload system shall deliver the survival package to the nominated survivor upon receiving a command from the operator. Here we can see the hardware setup for gear motor testing. A 7.4 voltage battery is connected to a 5 voltage regulator, which is then connected to a switch on the prototyping integrated breadboard. The voltage regulator has 3 pins for input, output, and the third pin produces 5 volts, which goes out to the digital multimeter through connecting wires. The micro-metal gear motor is connected to the switch via a blue wire. On pressing the switch, the gear motor turns on. A blue wire is wrapped around the shaft of the gear motor so as to show that the gear motor is functioning properly. Now this test is complete. Moving on to the second test, which is the payload delivery test. Completion of this test also works towards satisfying requirements 24 and 13 as stated previously. The hardware setup for this test consists of various components that are a cylindrical tube, 2 stoppers, a polystyrene fitted with a plastic cob, a delivery package, a micro-metal gear motor which has been soldered. All these components are assembled together to construct the payload release mechanism. In this test, a 7.4 voltage battery is connected to a 5 voltage regulator, which is then connected to a switch on the integrated breadboard. The switch is then connected to a micro-metal gear motor. The release mechanism was tested from a distance of 80 centimeters from the carpeted flooring or ground. On pressing the switch, the release mechanism rotates, causing the delivery package to drop. The final position of the delivery package was within 50 centimeters from the nominated survivor. This test is complete. Now, next type of test is integration test with HOMT subsystem. The system requirements for this test is exactly same as the previous test. Here, we can see the hardware setup. The payload release mechanism is attached to the table. The gear motor is then connected to a 5V pin and the ground pin on the Arduino. These are all powered from the USB port on the laptop running GCS software. When the command for the payload release is given, Arduino responds and supplies 5 volts to the gear motor. On receiving the voltage, the release mechanism rotates, causing the delivery package to drop. This test is complete. So, all the tests have proven to be satisfactory as all the components have worked according to their specifications and have satisfied requirements 24 and 13 and are ready for further integration and testing. Thank you.